stuck with the Zara tag on your new clothes? Here's how to get it off without damaging anything. First, double check your receipt. If you still have it, visit your nearest Zara store and ask them to remove the tag. They'll do it quickly and safely. But if that's not possible, here's a careful at-home trick. Place a plastic bag over the tag. Then use strong magnet on the pin area to deactivate the lock. Once it clicks, gently pull the tag apart. Never use fire, knives, or hammers. It can ruin your clothes or even hurt you. If you ordered online and the tag was left by mistake, you can contact Zara's customer service and request a return label just to get it removed. Has this ever happened to you? Share your Zara tag stories in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.